So I'm at Crunch now, and I just got out of the sauna. And every time I get out of the sauna, like, I think because it's so dry that it makes my, like, I don't know, sinuses or something like that, like, really dry. But I also, I am outside. Just a second, let me put my nose really quick. I'm outside, and it's cold outside, and I just got out of the sauna, so the quick change of, like, I guess, temperature or something, every time in the winter, like, so since I've been going to the gym, whenever I go in the sauna, it makes this, it just happens for a little bit. It hasn't gone for too long, but it's new, and I think that's because I just started going to the sauna. I don't normally go there, so found something new.